Alright, so I'm walking down the hall here around 7:30 in the morning on Sunday because I kind of want to share with you what I woke up to this morning and when I fell asleep to last night. This has got to be the worst storm I've ever been in. We have zero visibility. Zero. Absolutely none. I cannot see the school. I can't see anything. I see some streetlights, but that is it. This is absolutely the worst storm I've ever been in, but I still have power, and I think I still have internet, and maybe even cell service. I gotta see about TV for football today. So, oh geez, this is my door. So, oh, and now I'm covered with a nice layer of snow. Let's see if I can. You can see this. Isn't that nice? Yeah. So, that's what I woke up to this morning. See ya.